Imagine a compact desktop sitting quietly on your desk that looks minimal on the outside but delivers performance levels once reserved for full-scale data centers. That's exactly what the MSI EdgeXpert AI Mini Desktop brings to the table. A new category of AI-focused computing designed for developers, researchers, and creators working at the edge of innovation. At the heart of this machine is NVIDIA's GB10 Grace Blackwell platform, a next-generation architecture purpose-built for artificial intelligence workloads. Unlike traditional desktops that balance gaming and general-purpose tasks, this system is engineered specifically for AI processing, machine learning, and advanced computational workloads. The memory configuration alone sets the tone. With 128 gigabytes of LPDDR5 unified memory, this system is built to handle extremely large models and data-heavy tasks without breaking a sweat. Whether you're training neural networks, running inference on large language models, or managing complex simulations, the unified memory architecture ensures smoother performance with fewer bottlenecks. Storage is equally powerful. The system includes a 4 TB NVMe Gen5 SSD, delivering extremely high-speed data access and transfer rates. This makes a noticeable difference when working with massive datasets, launching heavy applications, or loading AI models that would typically slow down conventional systems. Performance is driven by NVIDIA's Grace Blackwell AI-focused architecture. This isn't just about raw speed, it's about optimized AI computation. The platform is designed to accelerate machine learning pipelines, deep learning frameworks, inference tasks, and data-intensive workflows, making it highly efficient for professional AI development. One of the biggest advantages of this system is local AI processing. Instead of relying on cloud-based infrastructure, users can run advanced AI models directly on the device. This improves privacy, reduces latency, and gives developers full control over their data and workflows, an increasingly important factor in modern AI development. The unified memory system also enhances efficiency by reducing the friction between processing components. Large-scale models and complex workloads benefit from smoother data movement and improved system coordination. Connectivity is designed for the future. With Wi-Fi 7 support, users get faster wireless speeds, lower latency, and stronger network stability. This is especially useful for transferring large datasets or working in network-heavy development environments. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures reliable connections with modern peripherals and accessories. The system runs NVIDIA DGX OS, a Linux-based operating system optimized specifically for AI development and machine learning workloads. It comes pre-configured with tools and frameworks commonly used in data science and AI engineering, allowing users to get started immediately without complex setup processes. This makes the system particularly valuable for AI engineers, developers, researchers, and content creators working with advanced technologies. Instead of spending time configuring software environments, users can focus directly on building, training, and deploying AI models. However, this is not designed for casual computing. For basic tasks like browsing, streaming, or office work, this level of power is far beyond what is necessary. Its true value lies in high-end AI workloads and professional-grade computing scenarios. Another key highlight is the compact form factor. Traditional AI workstations are often large, loud, and power-hungry. This machine delivers similar capabilities in a significantly smaller footprint, making it ideal for modern workspaces where efficiency and space-saving design matter. More importantly, this device represents a shift in how AI computing is evolving. High-performance AI is no longer limited to cloud servers or enterprise-scale infrastructure. It is gradually moving into personal and desktop environments, making advanced computing more accessible to individuals and small teams. The MSI EdgeXpert AI Mini Desktop stands as part of this transition, offering a glimpse into a future where local AI development becomes the norm rather than the exception. It is built for a world where data privacy, speed, and independence are just as important as raw computational power. Overall, this is not just a mini PC. It is a dedicated AI workstation designed for the next generation of computing.